Hello friends, Dr. Amitabh Gupta here from Niyati Women's Hospital, and I welcome you all again in the session of Get Over with Your Spinal Problems. So I must say, a healthy way of life is to keep your posture correct, and that will prevent you from getting any kind of spinal problem as well as joint problems in your hips and knees. So it is important to know the correct posture. So let me start first by telling that your spine has three curvatures. So it is kind of a small lazy S till the down. While you are sitting, and most of you are working at home on the computer, probably on your laptop, so you should have your hands supported like a very well headrest. So which you can see I'm working here on a laptop, so my hands should be supported, not hanging too down, nor getting like excess of support so as to shrug your shoulders. So while you are working, it should be relaxed position, and my head should be on kind of a maybe roughly 25-degree flexion, and then you can work comfortably. This will take the pressure off your lower spine and even on the neck. The other thing is that your always the legs which are there, so you have to keep in mind that your foot should be flat on resting. So if your ground or if your chair is high, then you have to keep a stool to relax your feet, and it should be flat. The other portion is that along with this, your knees should be bent at around 90-degree angle, or it should be little higher than your hips. So whenever you are working in a sitting position, that should be there. You should not be sitting more than 30 minutes. If you have a longer work to do on computer or laptop, then always take a break, get up from your chair, walk around probably a little bit, and the best position is as soon as you get up from the chair, don't bend. Get up straight and try to just do certain back exercises just by stretching your back. This you can do 4-5 times. This will relax your back muscles. So this is more so in the sitting position. Some people can use a lumbar support on the back who have a back problem, and that works fine. So you need not need a special chair like an ergonomic lumbar support chair, but those who want it is again it's okay. But the chair should be comfortable enough, and it should be flat from the back and a good back support. So I hope this helps you in keeping your spine healthy and keeping you fit during your home stay when you are staying safe and secure, and take all the precautions, and this will keep you fit to return back to your normal work, especially in the offices and your whatever the workplace may be. And keep following this instructions, and try to contact us whenever you have any queries. Thank you.